back, and what I'm in the process of doing now is lighting the model, or at least positioning some lights so that we can light the model. And if you remember, I am building this so that the model will appear in the landed position, and my goal here is to have lights that will shine down each of the ramps. And there are 3 ramps, so we have 3 3-volt LEDs right here. And I've drilled holes that are positioned where the ramps, or the top of the ramps are, and that way the lights will be shining down each of the ramps there. And they've been hot glued into position. I avoided making any contact with the LED and the hot glue because that can be too hot for these LEDs, but this is basically just to hold them in position. And so now what I need to do is to take these and wire them up to a power source. Now the nice thing about a lot of these small LEDs now is that you can find a lot of kits online that require no soldering, and this is one of them here. And I found this at a website called modeltrainsoftware.com, so obviously a lot of this stuff is meant for lighting model trains, but obviously you can use the same thing for scale models too. And this guy called Evan Designs has some pre-made kits here that are very, very easy to work with. Essentially they come all wired to a battery source, and you can either get connectors that will connect batteries like this, like these coin size batteries, or 9-volt batteries if you have LED lights that are larger than these. And all you have to do is twist them together, much like we did with the Enterprise kit. And then once you do that, you can just put some shrink tubing around them, and then you're all set. So there's no soldering involved. It's a very, very simple process to hook this up. I've already tested it and it works perfectly. So what I'm going to do is wire this up, and all this will be housed underneath the main dome, so it should work pretty well. So I'm going to go ahead and start working on the ramps now, and there's not much more left to this model. It's a pretty simple build. And then once I have it all put together, I'll go ahead and show you how it all turned out.